Tomi from Tacex here, and we are going to show you how to load your 1.8 excavator up onto your Shell World trailer. Now in the previous video you guys might have seen, we have connected our trailer to our Isuzu truck and it is all ready to go. You guys will know exactly how to do it when it comes to this stage right here. Now, first thing you want to do is get rid of these linch pins. These linch pins do pinch if they do come together. Push this ramp up just a little bit and the pole will come easily right out the way. We have now got our trailer all sorted and is ready to get our excavator up on the trailer. Just finished packing up and you are ready to tie down your Cat 301.8. What you want is your ratchet right hand and your hook in your left hand. And quite easy, quite simply, over the buckets just like that. There is going to be a locator hitch there. You're going to move it so that goes snug right there. Make sure there's no creases in it. To the other side, and the other side is going to have the exact same thing. I've got my hook in the eyelets on both sides here, and we are just going to quite simply tension the strap so that it is quite sort of firm. Now we just want to come up, make sure the strap is sort of straight. Now at the end of it should be pretty hard for you to move it and move it here as well. So that we've got our ratchet binder here, and we are going to sit that in the middle like so, so that doesn't fall off the sled. Now, what everybody thinks, and I might get a little bit confused by this one, but you want to not go through the eyelet of the hook there like that. That won't fit there, you see. So you want to come through here, through a couple of chains here, and that will sit there nice and tight, snug in there. Now we're going to do the exact same thing. Put a little bit of tension through there like that. Now, as you can see, nice and tight. Now I don't think the slade's going anywhere. So that's perfect like that. And for the back, we're going to do the same as well. So let's head there. Before we get too excited on the ratchet binder, we're going to quite simply move these rams up, this hole straight through there, and get these pins here, straight through the hole, push them down like that. That is now secure. Now, let's move on to the ratchet binders here. So, as you can see, it might be a little bit too dark, but you want to try and get it through. Oh, try and get it through this pin right there. Now, that should stay there. Alright, so you're going to get your ratchet binder in one hand, and you're pretty much going to put it, pretty much at the top. So that gives it a little bit more room to ratchet onto. Now we're going to get this chain here, same thing, going to ratchet down, perfect. Now, see this here? This here is sticking up, so that means it is basically unwounding itself. That is perfect. You just want a little bit room to spare, and that is pretty much tight. That's tight there. So now the back of the excavator is now locked and loaded. Alright, thank you so much, Tomi from Tacex here. Hope you've enjoyed, hope you've learned something, and let's keep it safe. Tacex Hire.